You should forget about getting into real estate unless you're willing to do these 4 things. Number 1, you've got to be an action taker. Be willing to take massive, imperfect action. Number 2, be willing and open to learn. The fast track for success in any business is to duplicate, learn from what somebody has already done. Another key is be laser focused. When you get started, don't take 20 different exit strategies on how to make money. Pick one, find somebody that's perfected it, and find a way to learn from them. Number 3, be patient and consistent. Whatever you're doing, you're taking these massive actions, whoever you're learning from, make sure you're being consistent with the actions that you're taking. Oftentimes, I'd see somebody get a little taste of success, think they made it, stop everything else they're doing. Next thing you know, they quit. Don't let that happen to you. And number 4, last but not least, is 100% commitment. You've got to be all in. If you're one toe in, one toe out, you're going to quit the first time you get a little bit of pushback. Trust me, commit, work hard, be patient. It's a long-term game. Regardless of what your guru tells you, this business is not easy. Put in the hard work. It's 100% worth it. I hope this helps. Like and follow for more.